We're putting a vinyl on my car. It's gonna add 20 horsepower, make my car go real fast, faster than it already was, which is crazy because this shit is fast. And when I'm talking about fast, I'm talking about like 2,000 horsepower fast, no cap. This shit's gonna add 20, so 2020, no cap.
13th coat, decal, breakneck logo.
The yellow's a little dark though, I'm not gonna lie.
That was our fuck up. We're still working to match the Scat Pack yellow because the Scat Pack yellow is a bitch. A little bit darker than the Scat Pack yellow, but we're gonna install these anyways for now, and we're gonna show you guys how to install one of his decals.
The only decal that is scientifically proven to add 20 horsepower to your car. Step one, know how to do this shit because I have no idea, but I'm gonna attempt. So now I just keep peeling.
Exactly. Like squeegee it while you remove this, so like that.
Why do I feel like you're supposed to like squeegee it this way now?
That's what I said. What were you doing?
The other way. This whole like clear part comes off, right?
What?
This little clear part right here? Or is this part of it? Does that part come off?
Let's see if you have any air bubbles.
Bro, I never had air bubbles in my life, except for when we did those Lux Concepts tints. But that wasn't even our fault. That was Lux's. $99.99.
$99.99 for one decal, but it's worth it.
20 horsepower.
20 horsepower. Do you want horsepower or not?
Alright, so how do I take off this part now?
You just peel it.
You're telling me I could just... No, it stays on.
Okay, so that means it's not on there yet.
Oh, there's air bubbles.
Then you fucked up.
Alright, now what? Alright, it's recording round 2.
Okay, so how everything works with Ryan's car, he attempts one time, we mess up, and then I do it. No.
How do I zoom in on this thing?
With we're teaching Ryan how to use the camera, new camera, Motorsport Dork. Let me borrow his camera. All right, quick steps on how to install decals. We're getting this from Max's video. It will be up here on how to install decals, so we're copying him. We don't know what we're doing. So you want to put something down the middle so you can hold the placement while you manipulate the decal. So, down the middle, then you peel it. You wanna fold it behind itself, boom, like that. Nope. What do you mean, no? And then you wanna make sure it's even so you don't get air bubbles, because we got air bubbles the first time because...
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. Boom, like that.
I don't remember getting air bubbles.
Make sure you're going even.
You see, I know what happened. I was squeegeeing it to the opposite direction where there was nowhere for the air to travel. So that's what happened.
At least you learn from your mistakes.
Like Michael Jordan once said, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
Facts. People say LeBron's better than Michael Jordan. Those people are stupid.
The real intellectuals know Kyrie Irving's the best.
Ryan swears Kyrie Irving is like the best player ever. I don't even know why you like him so much.
Because he's the only guy to talk truth about how the earth is flat.
Ryan's a flat earther. What do you guys think? Think the earth is flat?
I'm the next Elon Musk.
As you can see, it's installed. You see no air bubbles, but we'll find out after we remove the plastic. Ryan asked me before if this plastic comes off. Yes, it comes off. It doesn't stay like this. You take this off, and then you only have the decal. Now, I kind of like to keep it on a little bit so it sticks to like wherever you're putting it before we start peeling the clear tape. If you want to remove it too quickly, the vinyl's not going to stick and you're going to bring the vinyl with you, and you do not want to do that. So patience is a virtue, my friends. So leave it there. You could also wet it so it sticks more. I don't know how accurate that is. Cool, if you're watching this and I'm saying something wrong, I'm sorry. If you really want to know about decals, contact 13thcoat.com, contact Bull, because he's the one that makes these decals and he knows shit that we don't know. We're gonna wait a little bit and then we're gonna remove it. So we'll be back.
I'm recording.
Okay, I'm back.
Mike's hot.
We didn't really wait that long. It's 10 seconds, but Ryan's impatient and he wants to start removing.
Patient people never got no pussy.
There's no better decals than 13th Coat decals. If you get your decals done somewhere else, you're fucking up. Almost perfect.
Oh, hell no.
I see one air bubble.
I'm calling the police. please.
That's an installed decal, 13thcolt.com. Don't fuck up. See this video, see Max's video that I'm gonna put on like the corner so you guys can see how to actually install this, and now listen to us because we do not know what we're doing most of the time. If you want any custom decals, if you want the breakneck B, just tell him you want the breakneck B. He designed the logo so he knows what you're talking about. You guys can choose the colors, or you guys can get something else. He makes all custom decals, motorcycles, cars, for your home, whatever the fuck it is. 13thcolt.com. If you support our friends, you support us. Beanies are on the website, breakneckspeedco.com. The hat's available, and that's it. We're gonna be releasing some more stuff coming soon, so stay tuned.
And always remember, guys, you can go on 13thcolt.com and use the promo code GhoulFucks to get one decal and one decal after that for the price of the first decal. Yeah, Max is the scientist.
The lawyer.
He's a lawyer now? Max is a lawyer?
Who's the scientist?
The mad scientist?
No, that's, bro, that's Julio.
What the fuck? What the?
Ryan's learning all the names. The scientist is Julio. He's the mechanic. Ghoul, 13th Colt. Max, the lawyer. Brian, speed racer. Ryan, the pimp. Manny, the runner. Ricky, the dancer. Andres, the Colombian. Brandon, Asian pimp.
Hold the fuck up, there's like 6 new people.
Nelson,
I don't see this guy.